You're stuck, you're drained, you're living a life that doesn't feel like yours. You look in the mirror and you don't even recognize the person staring back. But guess what? You're not trapped. You have the power to disappear, to shed that old skin, those doubts, those limitations. Are you ready? Then let's get to work. Before we tear down walls and rebuild, we need to understand the lay of the land. We gotta survey the landscape, take in every detail, every nuance. You can't chart a course to a new destination if you don't know where you're starting from. It's like trying to navigate without a map. This means taking a hard look in the mirror, no filters, no excuses. Be honest with yourself. Grab a notebook, because this is where the real work begins. Write down everything. What's eating at you? What keeps you up at night? What are you afraid of? What are those fears that paralyze you? What are you holding on to that's holding you back? Identify those chains. Don't sugarcoat it. Be brutally honest with yourself. This is your moment of truth. This isn't about dwelling on the negative, it's about identifying the weak links, the cracks in the foundation. Only then can you start to mend them. Once you see them, you can start to repair them brick by brick. What are your dreams? What do you aspire to achieve? What kind of life do you want to live? Write that down too. Envision it clearly. Don't censor yourself. Let it all out. This is your space to dream and plan. This is your roadmap to a new you, a guide to your future self. This is about understanding what drives you, what makes you tick, what ignites your passion. Where do you want to go? The choice is yours. The journey begins now. We all carry baggage, some more than others. Past hurts, regrets, failures, they can weigh you down like chains. But you're not defined by your past. You're defined by what you do today, right now. It's time to let go of the things that are holding you back. Forgive yourself for the mistakes, learn from them and move on. Holding on to anger and resentment is like drinking poison and hoping the other person gets sick. This isn't about forgetting, it's about freeing yourself. You can't outrun your past, but you can learn from it and use it to build a better future. Shift your mindset. You're not a finished product, you're a work in progress. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. See setbacks as temporary detours, not dead ends. Believe in your ability to change. You are capable of more than you think. So, what are you waiting for? Close your eyes for a second and imagine the new you. Picture yourself in a place where you feel completely at peace and fulfilled. What do you see? How do you feel? What are you doing? This isn't just wishful thinking. This is about creating a clear vision for your future. It's about setting a direction for your life. Start with the inside. Reflect on your inner self. What kind of person do you want to be? More confident, more compassionate, more resilient in the face of challenges, more disciplined? Write down the qualities you want to embody. These qualities will serve as the foundation for your transformation. Now think about the external, your surroundings, your environment. What kind of life do you want to live? What does your ideal day look like from morning to night? What kind of work do you want to do? What passions do you want to pursue? What kind of relationships do you want to have? Break down your transformation into manageable steps. Think about the people you want to surround yourself with. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your new life. Patience and persistence are key. Set small, achievable goals that will move you closer to your ultimate vision. Celebrate each milestone. Remember those qualities you wrote down? Start embodying them today. Make them a part of your daily routine. Act as if you're already that person. Let your actions reflect your vision. The more you act in alignment with your vision, the more it will become your reality. Make it a masterpiece. Your masterpiece. Look good, feel good, right? It's a simple phrase, but it holds a lot of truth. When you take the time to care for your appearance, it can have a profound impact on your self-esteem and how you carry yourself. It's time to revamp your style. Experiment with different looks until you find what makes you feel most like yourself. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. This isn't about vanity, it's about aligning your outside with the transformation happening on the inside. When your outer appearance reflects your inner growth, it can be incredibly empowering. Clothes, hairstyle, even your posture, they all send a message to the world. These elements are the first things people notice about you, and they can influence how others perceive you. What message are you sending? Are you presenting yourself in a way that aligns with who you want to be? Take a moment to reflect on this. Dress for the person you want to become. Walk with confidence. Make eye contact. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel and how others respond to you. Your environment can also hold you back. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, making it harder to focus and feel at ease. Time to declutter your space. Start with one area at a time and gradually create an environment that supports your new lifestyle. Get rid of anything that reminds you of the old you. Letting go of these items can be a powerful step in embracing your new identity. Surround yourself with things that inspire you, motivate you, and reflect the person you're becoming. This can include artwork, quotes, or even just a clean, organized space. This goes for your digital space too. Your online environment can have just as much impact on your mindset as your physical one. Clean up your social media. Curate your feed to include content that uplifts you and aligns with your goals. Unfollow accounts that bring you down. Negative influences can hinder your progress, so it's important to remove them from your digital life. Start following people and pages that align with your new interests and goals. Fill your feed with positivity and inspiration. This is about creating a space where your new self can thrive. Both your physical and digital environments should support your growth and transformation. It's about shedding the old layers and stepping into a new skin. Embrace the discomfort. Change can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The world is your runway. Step out with confidence and show the world the new you. This is where things get really interesting. You've got your blueprint, you've decluttered your life. Now it's time to step into your new identity. This might sound radical, but sometimes you need a clean slate. You don't have to change your name or move to a new city unless you want to. But you can adopt a new persona, a new way of carrying yourself in the world. Think about the qualities you want to embody. Are you now the confident leader, the creative visionary, the compassionate friend? Start acting like it. This means changing your behaviors. No more self-sabotage, no more negative self-talk. Start making choices that align with your new identity. Learn new skills, try new things, step outside your comfort zone. The more you act like the person you want to be, the more you'll believe it. This is about becoming the author of your own story. Make it a story of courage, of resilience, of transformation. Listen up, because this is important. Not everyone deserves a front row seat to your transformation. Some people are content to stay stuck in the past, and that's okay. But you don't have to stay stuck with them. If there are people in your life who are holding you back, who are toxic or draining, it's time to cut ties. This doesn't have to be dramatic or confrontational. Sometimes it's as simple as quietly distancing yourself. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. Don't be afraid to set boundaries and walk away from relationships that no longer serve you. On the flip side, it's time to build new bridges. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who inspire you, who believe in your vision. In a world that's constantly demanding your attention, sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is disappear. Not from your life, but from the noise and chaos. Embrace solitude. Find a quiet place where you can connect with your inner voice. This is where the real transformation happens, in the silence between the noise. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your breath, your body, your surroundings. Be present in this moment. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-discovery. Write down your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, get everything out of your head and onto paper. Meditation can help quiet the mental chatter and bring you a sense of peace. In the silence, you'll find clarity. Let's be real. Transformation isn't always pretty. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, there will be days when you want to give up. But that's okay. It's all part of the process. The key is to take responsibility for your journey. Own your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Don't blame others, don't make excuses. Remember, you're not perfect, and that's okay. No one is. What matters is that you keep showing up, keep putting in the work, keep striving to be better than you were yesterday. Be patient with yourself. Real transformation takes time. There's no magic pill, no overnight success. It's a journey, not a destination. Own it. Congratulations, you've come a long way. You've faced your fears, you've shed your old skin, you've stepped into your power. But the journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. Transformation isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong process. The world is constantly changing, and so should you. Embrace the evolution. Keep learning, keep growing, keep pushing yourself outside your comfort zone. The moment you stop growing is the moment you start dying. Don't be afraid to reinvent yourself again and again. Life is too short to be stuck in a box. Explore different facets of yourself, discover new passions, never stop evolving. Remember that vision you created back in Chapter 3? Keep it close, review it often, adjust it as needed. You've reached the end of this journey, But it's just the beginning of your transformation. You have the tools, you have the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Disappear from the life that no longer serves you. Transform into the person you were always meant to be. Dominate your fears, your doubts, your limitations. The choice is yours. What will you choose? Disappear. Transform.